Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Boxycharm. So Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box that is $21 a month, but I think they're going up to $25 a month. Not sure how I feel about that, because I also feel that since they introduced the Boxy Luxe, these boxes haven't been that great. Even though they still mostly rank in my top 5 boxes, I just feel like, I don't know, the wow factor has gone down in this box. We'll see if my mind has changed today, but let's get into Boxycharm. There is a giveaway going on that is linked down below. I am looking forward to giving away a bunch of stuff to a bunch of people when we hit 1,500 subscribers. And there's other information down there if you are interested. It is Friday. It is a super casual date night. I just put a BB cream on. I did my brows, put some mascara on, some lip gloss. Nothing crazy. Let's get into Boxy. So I open it up, and this is what I see. And you get a card. And it does tell you how much everything is worth. The theme is After Dark. The first thing I am seeing right off the bat, well, I'm seeing everything that's in here because it's just a small box and it has like 5 items in it. But the thing that draws my eye is this Blushing Berries by Dose of Colors. Ooh, let's see. This is an eyeshadow palette and it's worth $32. Let's take a peek, shall we? Packaging is really pretty. Ooh, I'm probably gonna keep this. I mean, it doesn't have anything that I don't already have, but this dark black cherry is really drawing me in. That packaging is beautiful. Oh, yes. That is super pretty. And again, that is like a dark cherry color, not a black. Yeah. All right, I'm totally keeping that. I don't own anything by Dose of Colors either. Now, I'm pretty sure these colors would be emulated in the Huda Ruby Obsessions, but I don't know. Those are just gorgeous. Totally keeping it. Oh, so pretty. The next thing I am pulling out is, what is this? It's all shiny. Give it a shake. Look, ooh. Ooh. I could just watch that all day. That's kind of cool. That is so cool. What is this? Prep Set Glow. It retails for $29. Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with a light reflecting properties that leaves the skin with iconic glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss. Oh, that is so cool. I'm probably gonna keep this. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but I'll definitely sit around and shake it and watch it move. That is just the coolest thing. I've never seen anything like that in a makeup product. Okay, I'm done. I'll quit, sorry. The next thing I am pulling out is also by Iconic London. And it is a lip plumping gloss. That is a really pretty color, but I will just pass that along. And then the next thing is by Millow. That's not it. This must be it. It's a tinted brow gel. It retails for $16. Did I tell you that this was $26? Let's see. Achieve effortless, tamed, and tinted brows with Millow's Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator. doesn't, what color is it? I don't know what color this is. I don't see a color name anywhere on here. So to be on the safe side, I'll just leave that wrapped up. And then the last thing I am pulling out is Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. Retails for $7 and it is in the color purple. That's pretty. That is really pretty, but I will pass this along. I have a purple eyeliner by ColourPop that I absolutely love. So this will just go in the giveaway. Okay, so I thought that this was a pretty good box. I'm eating my words a little bit. But just to recap, we got Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette for $32. We got the iconic London Prep and Go. Retails for $29. The iconic London lip gloss that retails for $26 and it's a plumping lip gloss. Tinted brow gel for $16 and an eyeliner for $7. So this was a good box. I mean, I'm only keeping 2 of the 3, but I'm keeping these 2 things, but the other 3 will go in the giveaway. And this is just fabulous. I'm living for those colors right now. That is just gorgeous. I can't wait to stick this in my crease. That one, this one. Oh. All right. Okay. I'm done. Oh, it's not closing. Why is it not closing? Is it supposed to snap? It is supposed to snap closed, but it's not. Okay, it did that time. So I guess my little switch is a little off. It's supposed to snap close. It did snap close eventually, but it's okay. No worries. That was Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.